What's up guys? Today we're going to take a look at this LEGO Star Wars build that I made from the Mandalorian Season 3 Episode 1. Let's get into it. This scene from the new Mandalorian season was super fun to build. Having the right minifigures for the scene was super important, so I started with that. I already have Beskar Mando and Baby Yoda, as well as the IG-11 minifigure that I used in this scene as the statue. I also have the Greef Karga minifigure from Season 2, and even though his outfit isn't the same as the one in Season 3, it's very similar. So I used that and just added a cape. For the pirates, I don't have the new Vane minifigure that was just revealed because the set isn't even out yet, so I designed my own version of him. I do have the new Mon Calamari headpiece, so I used that to portray one of the pirates, as well as a Trandoshan head from Bosk for the other pirate. Then I built a few other Star Wars looking civilians that are watching the shootout happen, and figured that was enough minifigures for this MOC. I started with the school first, that used to be a bar. I made the wall look weathered and cracked, using various textured bricks and plates, and finish it off with a nice dark red canopy and roof. For the main pavement of this MOC, I wanted to recreate the cracked stone look that it has in the show, so I built a bunch of dark bluish gray rock shapes and fit them together like a puzzle. I filled in all the cracks with little tiles and cheese wedges. This effect turned out great and I just love how it looks. For the tree that the Mandalorian hangs out next to, I wanted to build that custom because it has a really cool thick gray trunk. So I used some various snot techniques on that, and I also used these interesting gun pieces that have studs on their sides. For this section back here, there's this grilled walkway. It's at an angle, so I wanted to recreate that look in my build. I put down a plate first with some grill tiles on it, and then filled in the remaining space with some sloped bricks. This finished it off to a nice, smooth, clean look. This white building back here is just as much a facade as the school is, but I wanted it to have a bunch of detail. Again, I used a bunch of different textured bricks and plates, and really tried to capture the look of the buildings on Navarro. I included another colorful canopy above the door, some flags, and then another balcony above that. This whole building came together really nicely, and I just love how it serves as a great backdrop for the scene. Finally, the entire MOC is bordered by a nice clean black border, built out of tiles and bricks, and that just helps encapsulate the scene, and is a great way to present your MOCs. If you have enough black pieces in your collection, I highly recommend doing this as well. And that's going to be it for this video. If you enjoyed this Star Wars MOC as much as I did, leave a like on this video. And if you want to see more MOCs like this, please consider subscribing to my channel because there's going to be so much more to come. As always, keep on building and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye bye.